Ebusian for Ghana 7 TVGH, message or like, a comment, subscribe with a notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. And so, I don't know. And then, Assutifi North DRIP machines involved in an accident when it was doing a private work in Assutifi South constituency.
Private work.
That's okay. I do. Was sending me video. Almost DRIP machine. So what's the background? No, yeah. I think we need to forward this video and then I see.
We did a private work.
Interesting. Ayɛka no. Okay. Oh dear, everybody here. Everybody about here. But yentie amanfo so voice note no yentie kakra we say good morning Kwame, please can you okay Mate. Also God bless you more, God bless you too. Yentie amanfo and so voice note kakra. Good morning.
Ya Kwame tangu anopa match ya wachia ubia Obama. Because every go out for now already NDC are being led by John Mahama. We are taking note of everything. Assembly Supreme Court, Assembly Eco One's Court. Ultimate Fahon, young convert here, illegal Chief Justice, yeah, prove illegal Chief Justice, yeah, swear in Chief illegal Chief Justice. Yeah, how you deny? I'm there. Messenia, my dear, trading in a
good morning.
Good morning. I'm here to move away. Yes, me away. Sadia no na muka Kenneth no the same to na almost almost yami. Ne me wa Ghana hand mo na me so two coin call ni papa oh. Togo. Ti o se o ko ho no mo na o fra me se wonya djuma mbi ma mentimi mbra. Ti o
the Kenneth ni bia me da say good morning.
Lawson FM 96.3.
Good morning. Black Kwame, but I still meet you. Unyanka, master, when I'm a catcher on a panel. Oh, my academy dinner soon. Some my swam police for no. Swam police for one country and Modam Cassa, a true tree. Womo, Mr. Womo dear, Omupa Gina Westco Gate war. Any fence say, Oko dance, you know, LDS school. On the Pabia no more begin ho, or move begin ho, and this one begin on you. Come quan, homity.
Okay, Mate, good morning.
Good morning, Lawson TV. Pacho midin the coffee team. Me pese and pay me contribute to Kakra, a program. Kwame, Ednora program I am show program in
Lawson FM.
One can be minister. But them was a addition what 10 years back as what was for the Tiano, so the Tiano said the end. And one I'm sure Facebook, I'm feeling was a way who could Tiano said the end, the Brofono can say, and I said, you say, everyone was a nipa that's any Sebi so or Chiana or Udini Sequema. Actually, say we in Paboni news say, I don't know yet before. Because we be any say Wajuma way and a dozen, a way minister, I say, and the baby and would be when this be in Queen as well. Ubi Munas will draw attention and now say, Bibisa Bonnie Ben, why? I was so I don't know.
Okay, Medasi, good morning.
Uncle, good morning. The bomb about near Jumapa Moye. Now I am free to do the any day, and we ask for to. Monfa mani me hwetu
Lawson FM.
Ubesu amaye. Ensuo to akase nya adwuma. Ebra ye bre wa ha no. Enye easy twufupra so to do nkwa. I am afraid the any ye better, far better than eno. Ndi esrem monfa mani nso nkyere ha na mo mehwe ha na.
Atebedasi, good morning.
Pacho, good morning. What fast me chow bia. Pacho family amo. Why are dear pa has happened ya ko fan once about baby? Why are dear papa go push na the Americans say o starting here. A Assutifi of Boase. E twam akosi I am feel ho no. Ufi Boase kwa dun kwa no enye portal so e manholes. Pacho some ko so mu hu ya. E manholes who papa they create a lot of accidents. But I'm saying I'm on phone capture maintain moon. Ubedu hana we tire pie, Ubedu hana we tire pie, Sinamo. Sa agenda Yamakofa by the Samo, I'm going to the
Mate, good morning.
Uncle, good morning. Gidisa Moya na Pawe, Quabanania Crobo. I am through Quanamo in India and fair or motin footroom. A hard Yamian and say me came all Kotakobe in fact, not Eden. But any problem. John Draman Mahama be fix some by next year ended the Nequanum, John Draman Mahama Yevi.
Mate, Medasi, good morning.
Avatango. Good morning. Efremi Asofo Boating. Kase free tepa. The American opinion and say oni ofase Franco Yankopon Unshiramo. Na the American actually unyina ne se mesrew nyabotre na adwuma pa wo ye ene ye ne a yetiwo watiefo de eboa yen na afi eboa foforo
96.3
wiase nyina te wonka no ho yawo ene ho tan na amanfo ahya ase omde yesa no see wo ya de papa no na taage o se wo ye party wini Itimisero emane haukra.
Okay, Medasi, good morning.
Haji Tanko, good morning. Best maybe be on how. Regional Minister commenting on making a maybe be on how. And maybe be on how clap for Bibia Mania message and our cano.
Lawson FM 96.3.
Yeshawono. Yenim no cre. Oka. Intimate regional minister commenting on making nuclear.
Medasi, good morning.
Tiano Pamichano, a Tifunina. Yeah, when you say Obo to Kakra, but Maneho, Frank was wondering, while so. Say, Emre, a chi yes, no. A chi yes, and as young for only be in my, because if you mean no cry, even a Franco, I try to pay. But I'm your enemy, and in a year, man, meaning send a credit.
Okay, good morning.
Mami, good morning. Me pese asemi na me ka bi kakra enra me tie na me te ho na me tie pa na onele bi me ye interview na all kase omoma ho ni I think so all kase na or yes say friend was show honom 18 minutes at that time no na okọ honom but time na oni omudi nkomo ne
Lawson FM
na ya ma honorable minister Bekasa asone dia ene wanya de ebia na we interview na we no kan atwe o madwen ba so
That's good morning.
Hello, good morning, Franco na bedwafo yo adwuma ne de mo bo na enso so no no credit da ho na yaka se de na minister Ayɛka no jandam adwuma na mo ye de di kan atama asem ni siye akra de ni siye no ye nyina ye hu so we so ye journalist na we investigations and san wa reporting on issues asem ni siye minister de be report here on the Facebook page. Kwan ya wafa so a wa manage situation. Ye nyina ye kokan bo pa on the Facebook page na kohwe. Dey na asem ni siye na. You haven't done that research. Monye hwe no asem abesore na motena ho. Wan na enim say Lawson TV ene mo morning show ya mo ye jandam work na mo ye obi ehu mo. And you know you guys are just tickling yourself and you are laughing. As I say, and a minister now who host back who say and a TikTok minister and a TikTok acquire the true shine.
Okay, Mate Medasi, good morning. Where you know from Mr. Fachemi. Good morning.
Hello, good morning. Good morning, Lawson TV. Kwame Tanko. Good morning, pa. Nini juma pa wudi. Me dawasi. Sa wudi sa juma. And rem se me send message bi. Me fancy audio we ni de mamo. Ma anti se mo kanye. So hu asma me kan bia mo ba dwini se bia politics na me ye. Nenso na enye politics na me ye. So hu se be sere bi no. Ye be sere bo juma ndra wo ye wo juma wudi ni ndra eye nokure trubu no ko be bie ni wa wudi ntro ewum. Nanso me send me message ba no mu emu ame. Si wo hu message na se mo kan na me ka kire mo se me pa mo cho me sere mo ala. Se Mumbo sa nyum eye Tupac ni nyuma o ma chro se ni nyum bi o ma chro se I'm sorry mi ditika se ne mo mbua se mumbo ni nyum bi a the title di maybe I'm against the world. Me can't me say I can't be I'm against the world. Me catch him say mon send mon boss anyu fama Kumasi for no muntie.
Me against the world now okay and I said I'm against the world. Tupac no back me against the world. Okay, but good morning.
Kwame, good morning. Nimse nyame adom woni Franco Mohoya. And every Kwabe asem ya how pa cause my the enthusiasm, the zeal, the power with the morning show. I think the Dr. Amwako
96.3.
I show Iowa. Mawabamumo because you're Kwame for this. We all know, say you are serving this country for good, for man, and for this country. Yes, sir. Good
morning.
Good morning. We just na go part mo program amo ye there no boma baso na men kam but the woman say o man Ghana na angasa no
Lawson FM 96.3
penukuru adi we see as one kan komunku o kan so o motie na o moko nso ahekasa o beka na men kam
okay so good morning.
Good morning. If I'm Mr. Ben, because every day I come. If I come to him. Come to him, now, Regina is a spokesperson. I'm going to know money. So I grow. Regina, Mr. Way said, Liberty, you are grown.
Okay, good morning.
Thank you, good morning. Kwame, Mirahu, some of your colleagues here, media houses, I pity them. The kind of promo bini ayibi omodi ma NDC regional minister no I see say social media adie no aye 11 months no o de pa impact be na me
Lawson FM yanimwa
11 months of Akufo-Addo any 11 months now compare 8 years. How can you compare 8 years?
Good morning.
Ofa Kwame Oni Franco Ofa Emawe mu abam adwuma no ye ya che wako challenge bi a chense kura emawe mu abam na koswa kanokre efa bo aga na man da bia me show man show a mintimi nkwa adwuma
that's it. Good morning.
Faketi, good morning. Pacha femi kofi mi kasa frebo akwa. Asema ene my imagine say me join feed no and I me join conversation no too early. Asema original minister Akano, I'm really disappointed in the man. Now I was really a good fan of that man, even though I'm not an NDC guy. I'm not for any political party, but I was really into that guy because of some maybe
Lawson FM.
I did way I work and I'm really disappointed in that.
Okay, no crumble. Apa Simano Bako. This is the last leg of our program. Recruitment for police, immigration, fire, and prison service opens today. Now here is how to apply. Open Enrameboa. It was on Monday rather. The nationwide recruitment drive for Ghana's internal security agencies officially began yesterday, Monday, November 17th, at 12 noon at the centralized service e-recruitment portal open for applications. A public notice has confirmed that the portal will remain active until Friday, 19th of December 2025, giving prospective candidates a month to apply to join the Ghana Police Service, Ghana Immigration Service, Ghana National Fire Service, and the Ghana Prison Service. Prospective applicants are required to purchase a voucher exclusively through two main channels via one, the USSD code *713 03 hash on all mobile networks or at any GCB bank branch nationwide. A key instruction from the notice emphasized that applicant must specify which agency's voucher they intend to buy at both voucher purchase channels above. This is to ensure that applications are directed to the correct service from the onset. The CSEP system was introduced to streamline the recruitment process into the security services, making it more transparent and accessible. Enra Franco, Panifoya and Shannon to say, we are gonna need back now. Opese Oko police, Oko immigration, Oko fire service, and now Oko prison service. Enra no more be on portal, Ediato. Sa portal no your friend e-recruitment portal. Na omo bie ewo kwan mienu so e na obetumi afa e dey apply. Enti ena no pe mo amutie mi no. Mutie no motie ni yie papa. E kwan ye edi kan no enie. Ene se obefa network bi a wo so bia. Obe dial *713*03 hash. Franco ti de make say. Mo amutie mi no phone e bia say adopai obezo ye bia *713*03 hash. Na afei wa wo so.
Boy about Ministry of Interior Recruitment e-voucher.
Aha, enti eho no.
An option.
You purchase a voucher.
Okay.
Ubie ubo short code na. Ebiema on Ministry of the Interior Recruitment e-voucher platform.
Okay.
Enti ubo also select an option. 1, purchase a voucher. 2, retrieve a voucher. Retrieve ni just say ebia what the care to be.
Na ebia
na problem be about ho. Enti if you want to purchase a voucher na umia no to o select one na. Ebeko akobie select service agency.
Yes.
Enti it is either say open police, open prison, open fire service, and na open immigration. Enti the open no na eno so waboso. Oboso a obeka cho say twen na payment a obeye no omo process it. Na fei abeje wo mo send this car na fei what was I na fei wonya voucher no na say o dem
no say we are say anymore
say entisa one TV so anyi no a GCB bank bia ben wo Ghana ha bia no ra
Ghana Commercial Bank
is it from sao
never
GCB bank. Hey, we don't call them Ghana Commercial Bank.
GCB.
Yes, their name is GCB Bank. Yes.
GCB Bank.
You don't call them Ghana Commercial Bank. They are called GCB Bank.
Hey.
The only way GCB what's them, but that is their name. That is their name. So I'm correcting you this one.
Is that what you say?
Oh, David, me. I had a privilege. Many women are reading going to make a GCB bank. Okay, make a Ghana Commercial Bank. No, Omudi a GCB Bank. And that is the name. The GCB Bank. That's the correct yes or more. And the what you call GCB Bank be a benwo. Na and also no. What to o voucher ewo na and one no room. Or see key instruction from the notice. HSA. As I said, applicants don't select open police or select open immigration, open where Nina no oh yeah. Now it's ma odo huram. Today, more money je hono.
About penny in as well, which my apply for Nina.
And now penny.
No. The reason why I'm asking is
young for her.
Young for her bet me aqua, young for her bet me aqua. Hey, that be over to you. A bit Baba say,
but I'm more yet more trouble. A year was a registered of death.
I say a legitimate, a legal for you to do it. No, you should have a plan A, you should have a plan B. You should have a plan A or a plan B. And me person who
going also everywhere.
And then you sit down in scale of problem and then decide on what you want.
And now what should be so quiet?
O say,
so what should be so quiet?
Hey, yes, the obi
Obi Imagine says have 5 years now. Obi afro. Say Obi for brand body selection brand. That's a date to coincide one day or one day.
You sit down and you choose one.
Oh.
Scale of problem you have to draw.
And
yes, Abrabodi is sanity. Yes, Abrabodi is sanity. What is the probability say you choose one pair on Sabeka?
Ebiswani amfawa.
Ebiswani amfawa.
Eda ye yero.
No tie. Ebi amfawa fire service for be foul. Ebi police for be foul. But if I'm happy, do you know one thing? If you look at efficiency, album for now. First, and could be performs at all. Be chino nya forms be kranto. First, we go pay more post office. We go pay more banks. So headline you go. Esan so be per military. Ebi obi per police. Obi per immigration. Onya. But this time round. See, Karunya file phone now. Oh boy, another than a yaba. Then you have to follow the instructions. Then you have to get your form. Me I dey wey offer. They hear me any transparency. Transparency.
Transparency. Brofo. Anything.
So ombe bie mu ye mo bi ananya sa. Infi me kan say.
Na me bisa eje say.
Ombe bie mu ye mo bi am say na dey no kredie.
Emrem. Bibia nya
no kredie. Ghana forward give me some way be form na form awie dada. Ofanano
ba nya no kre
ebi so my no kre
nya no kre
ebi so my no kre say
nya no kre
ofa ebi mi so no kre say
frango tie nya no kre
so mo reform ya for no
tie me ebi a obi wetu atra ba bi aka say protocol ebi no betu nya protocol but me one person me deny that say we are say not only in Ghana there's nothing called protocol there's something called protocol but say what all call for this recruitment. What the show team say? Ya funny pana wie ene enko.
Ene jai.
Enko. Because I'm telling you, say opportunity no.
Oh yeah, opportunity.
Even though any day there are certain people that will get protocol. Yes. I will not sit here and justify it. But it is there. But men can say funny pana in every.
And you mesre. It should be not be in an opaque manner. They should open up to be more transparent. Whereby a Ghana nini quarter forms or the yes sa form sama to idie se me follow bibia pepe na ya bibia wi a I likely say I might be in the police service, I might be in the immigration, I might be in Ghana National Fire Service, and I say maybe other areas of idea ya pan say if the system people have doubt about the system but still see ka wo catch me you are giving me a certain kind of understanding say that be we say them point for say no ma Ghana ni bi o kwakoto forms but if you qualify and point for forward Ghana Police Service and I say be other security agencies no offer yes re yedi care who be o say soldier for koye omo the kind of problems e dey aba at this particular moment say through where there should be ultimate proactiveness and whereby you go create problem bia yen hu say that be sanko for kowe e be ne ochina we mu na eba that worst stampede should not happen again esem penfonia too proactive enough to decide say okay nipa be 1000 out of forms no ye the 1 week na ye every blessed day be nipa 200 and they be interview on body selection to avoid stampede. There's no pressure on the government of Ghana. It said China and so you see 1 day and then 2 days so baby be idea and say me follow process no man to me ya kono not yes you know that I'm saying obi nipa ni idea was you as idea we nkoye then you have to build upon it and then opay me by say some military recruitment so much only be quarter
Accra is on one chat. I think the one way 8.
And to munim dada no money.
Yes,
you see that is my problem. Always we are too reactive. Yes. We are not proactive.
No, we wait for something to happen, then we react.
Too
reactive.
We
don't plan and be
what
proactive.
And Padua Park ho, munim so bet match him the biako. But he decided not to take them.
You pokuare, not
pokuare. Wait me do
prempe parking on before. Ona we no talk about I say momra prempe. Sa nipa 2000 we momra prempe. Sa nipa 3000 we momra pokuare. We no momra ha. Nka Padua ha. Nka efe.
And yemva say e be nipa 10,000 of turn Ashanti region. Na be etna Kumasi metropolis ampo e about maybe 10
centers. They can.
This is be serious.
I see we are the reactive.
Yes, a count. You Johnny so. I want you back. Say yes. Bibiaba.
Periba Kwame Ferrinapa just sent me a message. Say Kwame. Why should you entertain such disparaging comment? Okay, Honorable Mbajomate, I'm sorry. Take it from me. This is the last time I'm talking about it. It won't happen again. I'm sorry. Okay, comment if you or can say was here. I don't want to go through all the comments. I know you are tougher than they know.
Yes. Then he knows
you. I know you are tougher than they know.
Then he knows you.
Of course. Then he knows me very, very well. Honorable Pacho, me that's it. Mate, me that's it. I won't pass a comment. Take it from me. This is going to be the last time. And I tell them kind. I leave everything to God.
And one and offer.
You shop, you drive.
You shop,
you drive.
Okay.
Max buy festive giveaway. No, Abba. Max buy say, bro, and Abba into this time. No, I'm for be dia chedia pa. Saloon car, TV, smartphones, and other home appliances. And a Max buy a day every afi emo and yagro. Kwa befa so be enter any to any